What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 26 Week 1 live cop. Obviously, it's week 1, so we got a ton of stuff dropping. I'm super hyped about this week. Actually, not really going for too many personals, but there are some bangers dropping. I got my week 1 outfit on. I feel like I wear this every single time on week 1, so just ignore that. But again, we got the list as always because there are way too many things that we're going for. But unfortunately, too, I feel like there's a few things I'm just not going to go for because the prices are a little bit too high. One of those being the analog pocket. I really wanted to go for that, but had no idea that was gonna be $500. And the BB Simon license plate cover is also $500. I did not know that was gonna be that expensive either. So unfortunately, I'm gonna pass on those two items. As of right now too, the Prayer Card box logo tee is actually still the #1 most hyped item of the week. And I actually guess instead of reading off the phone, I could just go off my list because I do have these ranked from most hyped to least hyped, and it's everything that I want to go for. Obviously, we're going for the Prayer Card tee and the Darth Maul tee. Those were the two most hyped items for the week. Then I want to get the boxers for the personal. I think there's actually only 2 personal things on here, and one of which is going to be the boxers. I'm going to try to get max quantity on those, but I'm pretty sure max quantity is going to be 2 since it is a special pair, but who knows. We're going to try to get the max quantity on those. Then we're going to go for the Prayer Card skateboard, which I kind of feel like might be one of the first things to sell out. If possible, I want to try to get those 4 items into one cart, and I think this is gonna be my first cart, and then I kind of feel like everything else is going to be like really easy to get. Next, I'm debating on the mailbox, and maybe I'm tripping, but I kind of feel like this has potential to be a crazy item like down the line for resale purposes. I know nowadays almost no accessories resell, but I kind of feel like this one has potential, so I'm maybe thinking about going for that, even though it is almost $300. That part is very unfortunate, but we still might go for it, but that one's a maybe. Then we got the key tool. Shouldn't be anything too hard to get there. That's probably gonna be my second cart, and hopefully we can get more than one of those. And then next we got the skull tee and the gems tee. Those both should be an easy cop. We're just gonna try to get as many of those as we can. Then the Darth Maul skateboard is actually ranked kind of low. I do want to obviously go for that. That one, in my opinion, is ranked kind of low. I still kind of feel like that's gonna sell out pretty fast. I even might try to get that on my first cart, depending if they are like directly next to each other with the prayer card board. Then we got the long sleeve tee that I want to go for, and the hat. I actually, looks like I forgot to put the name of the hat, but I believe this one with the skeleton on it. Then we got the money tee, action skateboard, which I am trying to get in more than one colorway. Then I'm also debating on possibly getting the eagle hoodie. And then to end it off, I just want to go for the camo beanies and the action beanies. And that's going to do it for everything I want to get for week 1. So there are quite a few items we're going for. That is 17 different items, so it is a lot. Obviously, you're probably not going to be able to get all of them. And there are a few things like the t-shirts that I do want to get in multiple sizes and colors. So I guess I'm not counting that. I guess just 17 unique items that we're going for. Hopefully we can at least get a majority of these, because I kind of feel like everything below the mailbox should be an easy cop, but everything above the mailbox might be the hardest one, which is why I'm just going to try to get it all into one cart. I'm pretty confident that we can get this in one cart. And like I said, I kind of feel like only the prayer card skateboard has potential of selling out in my cart first, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. But we're running out of time now, and I don't want to talk too much longer. But before we start this live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. I will have all the information on the screen as well as in the description down below. We took a bit of a break on the live cops, so I'm hopefully coming back for this season. Pablo and I just dropped a reaction video for the season. If you want to check that out as well, that will be on the channel. And hopefully I'll have some more videos and shorts coming out here pretty soon, so you're not going to want to miss that. So make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. But that's enough talking. Let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We got a little less than a minute left until the drop. So again, for that first car, I'm going to try to get the prayer card tee and skateboard, the Darth Maul tee, and the boxers all in the one cart. And we're just going to see what happens and possibly put the Darth Maul skateboard in there as well. I'm not too sure on that. I just feel like this prayer card skateboard is going to fly, and we've already been out the game for a few weeks, so I probably already am a little bit rusty. Hopefully this is going to load and not lag. And it's 11. Let's go. Okay, looks like it is kind of lagging. There we go. Feel like we just lost a few seconds, so that's unfortunate. Why does all this stuff look way bigger than before? All right, we're going for this. You know what? I'm just going to try this. Might have been a bad idea right there. We got the 2 skateboard. Oh, man, we did. Bad idea here, but we're going for the tees now. I mean, sorry, the boxers. Medium. Wow. I'm just going for 4. I don't even care. I probably should have done more, but that's all right. Now, where is the skateboard? Here we got, I mean, not skateboard, I'm tripping. The shirt. Darth Maul added. Darth Maul added. I'll just go for the smalls on that. I don't even care. I don't even know if I just got that last one, though. We're going to go for this. And this. All right, we're going for a checkout. So we actually did get both the skateboards in there, but are we going to be able to get through? Man, why am I like kind of nervous right now? How long is this queue gonna be? Did I actually get both? Okay, I did actually get both of the Darth Maul t-shirts. I don't know why I thought I might have missed one. All right, it's loading, and did we get this? All right, sick. So we did get that, and that was the most, that was like the things I thought for sure was gonna sell out the fastest. So that's good that we got those 2 skateboards out the way. So now I'm just gonna go, all right, I'm just gonna try to get the mailbox, I guess, into this. And if it sells out, oh man, that's $20 more than I thought it was gonna be. If it sells out, it sells out, but we're just gonna add it to this cart. And we're going for this skateboard, and I guess this one. I do kind of like that one. Per card gone, still here. Should I just be crazy and add another one for this card? And then also if this sells out, it sells out, because we're about to try to get a lot of random things into this. See, I'm just losing my train of thought here. I guess I should go back up to the t-shirts. Let's just go to the t-shirts. I'll get a different color on this one. I'm gonna try to get some small per card. Oh, the per card is gone in that size. All right, not sure why that was not loading on that one. We're just gonna try to get all these tees. We're just gonna try to get all of these. I feel like I wasn't even talking for a little bit of time there. Sorry about that. I feel like I'm just so locked in. Our cart is already over 1,000. I don't even know what is in here and what isn't in here. Yeah, we're just gonna check out because the cart's already over 1,000. Some things definitely sold out inside this cart. For sure. There's way too many things in this cart. I probably should have kept track. So here we go. We got mailbox, skateboard. I forgot we got that other per card. Okay, so the per card is showing a 0, so that's definitely going to be sold out. But that's all right because like I said, if it's sold out, it's sold out. We're just adding. We're spamming right now. Doesn't really matter. We just got to get through this queue. And I might have just screwed myself on the queue because I think I might have just added way too many things into this. So we still don't have the beanies. We got a lot of the shirts. And then if we can get through, oh, I did forget the other hats as well. But if we can get through on this at all, then we did get all the skateboards. So the skateboards will be done. Okay, maybe we are not getting through on this. I might have just put way too many things in here. I don't even know if I've ever had a cart this big. Come on. I feel like I might have did this to myself, guys. I am not gonna lie to you. I feel like this was 100% my fault here. I've never had a cart this big. I wish I could remove the, I'm being crazy. This is probably gonna be a bad move, but I'm just gonna try it. So the Darth Maul is gone. Oh, they already took the prayer card out. All right, that's fine. Can we get through now? Oh, still showing the prayer card. That might be what's messing me up here. So we already lost one of the Darth Maul tees, but again, not even really tripping about it because I did get one in the first cart. So it looks like actually the things that I added, no, because the prayer card shirt did sell out first because that's, we were seeing that while I was going for the second cart. Yeah, that's fine. I know it's sold out, but usually when it does this, it comes right after. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So we knew that's sold out. That's all right. Not even worried about it because we did get one. All right, so we did get that big cart minus the fact that a few of those things did sell out. So we got all the skateboards. We basically just got to get the hats. Oh, I do want to get these too. It's crazy. We got 4 different socks right now. Sorry, I am completely losing my train of thought here. So we just got to get the hats, all of the hats though, and then some backup shirts. Yeah, I completely missed this. Wow, it's actually still here, but I bet you that pink one is gone. All right, still here. That's $88 though. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. I do like that color a lot. That one's cool. Pink is always cool. All right, so I do think that it's all the hats now that I wanted at least. So we're gonna go back to here. Should have started at the beginning of the tees because I'm just gonna try to rapid fire these shirts right now and then check out. So this is so Red Darth Maul still here. I'm gonna skip out on that one this time. Ooh, what just happened? So I think that means something probably just sold out. Wow, some prayer cards are still here. I wish I remembered what size I got. I feel like I already got that size, unfortunately. And I just have to skip that. All right, we're gonna get this checkout right here because this has all the hats and again has a ton of stuff. All right, we got right through. Wow, socks are sold out. That's crazy. And then I think that was a prayer card. I completely missed it. All right, we got through there. So let's see what else we got because now we pretty much got everything that I wanted. I actually did forget the Eagle hoodie. So that is probably gone because honestly, I just kind of forgot that existed. Yeah, this right here. Still here though. Oh, full size run. I do like this colorway though. All right, I'm gonna add those two and then take a look at what are these socks. Wow, these socks really are sold out. That's actually kind of crazy to me. I know the socks pretty much sold out like all season last season, but still, and these did sell out, so that's good. Mailbox didn't sell out, so I must have been tripping. Analog is still here. I'm gonna get one more of these. I'll get a couple more. Pretty much just the tees then, so I might as well just get enough for this checkout. I feel like this got not even gone yet. Insane to me. All right, it's trying to sell out, so we're just gonna skip through that. This potentially could be the last card, guys. I'm not for sure. All right, we're just gonna check out with this 12. Should get right through here. And again, I feel like I was not talking on that last part. And this should be it. All right, so let me just screenshot this. I'm honestly, again, surprised we didn't get the sock. Like, I know they'd be selling out now, but thought I would have had a little bit more time than that. Wow, not all the Darth Mauls. I guess I could have got a couple more Darth Maul tees. So it looks like the prayer card probably was the first tee to go. In most of the colors, at least. I do actually like this bag too. I was actually re-looking at this again. If this one actually sits for a little bit though, I might actually end up getting that, but right now I don't really want to get it. Mailbox is still here, so I completely was wrong about this. That's all right though, we're not too worried about it. And the keychain did sell out, and the boxers. I also must have completely missed that this was in a silver colorway. I know black did sell out and I got black, but I do kind of wish I would have got silver instead. I feel like you never really see that color, so that's kind of cool. You know what, I'm gonna add this silver. I'm gonna try to do one more cart here, and if this works, it works, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. So here, potentially could be my last cart, even though I know I just said that again, because I don't think I got any 2XTs. I'm just gonna try to get right onto the 250 though. So what's another one? Is this 250? We're good, we're good. So now I'll have options here on this skateboard. If we can get through though, I guess I shouldn't say that yet. All right, we got through. So we did get the silver one. I guess that kind of worked out then. So definitely give me my last card. I don't even know how much money I spent. I'm gonna have to add that up, and I'm sure that's gonna be in the title of the video. But honestly, I feel like a pretty successful week. Did we even miss anything? I think we got every single item that I wanted to go for. Yeah, we literally got everything I wanted to go for except the white socks, which is crazy. Let me just double check that those are sold out before I end this. Yeah, really are. Wow, all of them are sold out. All right then. Kind of crazy. But yeah, I guess I could just end the screen recording here. And that's gonna do it for my fall winter 26 week 1 live cop. I didn't even realize until I was closing out the screen recording part, but yeah, we literally got every single item that I wanted except the white socks. So obviously for week 1, it's a W. I'm pretty excited. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up this week and what was your favorite item that dropped this week. There are a couple items coming up that I'm pretty excited for, but obviously this week there was only a couple personals we were going for, but still we got everything we went for, so I can't complain. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. The information will be on the screen as well as in the description down below. You could also check out my store at the Storm Factory, and that information will be in the description as well. And lastly, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I'm gonna try my best to do a live cop every single week this season, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.